Welcome to Social Science class. I am Minu Sharma. Today we will discuss chapter number 5, the major domains of the Earth. And the Earth is the only planet which has life. And life is possible with the life-sustaining elements like land, water, air, which are present on Earth. Surface of the Earth contain the main elements. These are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Solid portion of the Earth is called lithosphere. The gaseous portion of the Earth is called atmosphere and the water bodies are called hydrosphere. Biosphere is a life-sustaining element which contain all these three elements altogether. So students, you understand all these things. We will discuss in PPT all these domains of the Earth in details. Thank you.
Now students, let's understand major domains of the Earth. These are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Now let's see what is lithosphere. The solid portion of the Earth is called lithosphere. This includes the crust as well as the very uppermost part of the mantle, which is solid rock. There are 7 continents. These are North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent, covers around 1/3 of the world's total land area. Africa is the second largest of the continent and covers around 22% of world's land area. Australia is entirely in southern hemisphere, is the smallest of 7 continents. North America is the 3rd largest continent in size. North America is the 4th largest continent in population. South America is made up of 12 countries. Antarctica, it is also completely in southern hemisphere, the coldest continent. No one lives here, but scientists study the weather and animals. Europe, there are 47 countries in Europe. People in Europe speak over 50 languages. Now, let's see what is atmosphere. The layers of gases that surround our planet. Weather is the condition of atmosphere at certain place and time. In atmosphere, there are number of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon, etc. Now let's see the layers of atmosphere. First layer is troposphere, second is stratosphere, third is mesosphere, fourth is thermosphere and last is exosphere. Now let's see the next domain, which is hydrosphere. It comprises all the water bodies in Earth. All the oceans, rivers, lakes cover under it. Now let's see what is Pacific Ocean. World's largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. It is spread over 1/3 of the Earth. Next is Indian Ocean, which is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. The Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle and surround the North Pole. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It is S-shaped. Now let's see what is biosphere, which is the narrow zone of the contact between the land, water and air. It includes living organism as well as physical environment. Now students, hope you understood all the major domains of the Earth very carefully. Thank you very much.